Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Here in this video, we will show the 10 most expensive science experiments. So please subscribe to my channel now, and don't forget to like this video. Number 10. Advanced light source. The advanced light source uses soft X-ray light to research atomic and molecular physics, the kinetics of chemical reactions, and the electronic structure of matter. It was supported by the US Department of Energy at around $99.5 million and is regarded as a brilliant source of soft X-ray and ultraviolet radiation. Number 9. Relativistic Heavy Ion Collider. By colliding millions of particles every second, the Relativistic Heavy Ion Collider, the only particle collider in operation in the United States, may create heat several thousand times hotter than the sun. In addition to studying the spin structure of protons, the collider permits the investigation of the earliest form of matter to exist in the cosmos, just after the Big Bang. The particle collider, which began operation in 2000, is maintained by the United States Department of Energy at an annual cost of $160 million. Number 8. JUNO spacecraft. JUNO, a $1 billion project of NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, was launched on August 5, 2011 and has circled Jupiter since July 2016. The spacecraft aims to examine Jupiter's atmosphere and topography to determine how the planet originated. In February 2019, JUNO sent a remarkable photograph of Jupiter's jet stream. Number 7. Spallation neutron source. The spallation neutron source, SNS, performs neutron scattering, which aids scientists in studying the molecular structure and behavior of metals, biological samples, and a variety of other mysterious substances with implications for chemistry, physics, engineering, and biology. The plant construction for the US Department of Energy took 7 years and cost around $1.4 billion. The creation of the first neutron happened on April 28, 2006. Number 6. Manhattan Project. During World War II, the US Army Corps of Engineers supervised the creation of the Manhattan Project, which cost almost $2 billion. The Manhattan Project resulted in the creation of the first nuclear weapons, including the atomic bombs that were detonated on the Japanese cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki, with assistance from the United Kingdom and Canada. Number 5. Mars 2020 rover. NASA's 2020 Mars rover, a product of Curiosity's success, was launched in July 2020. It is designed to investigate Mars' ancient history, including previous geology and the possibility of life on the planet. The projected cost is $2.46 billion. Number 4. Curiosity rover. Curiosity is the name given to a rover the size of a car that NASA constructed for $2.5 billion, launched on November 26, 2011, and has been exploring Mars since August 2012. The rover was designed to investigate the climate, geology, and potential for microbial life on Mars. Curiosity just discovered unexpected oxygen on Mars. Number 3. National Ignition Facility, with an approximate expenditure of $3.1 billion. This is the most expensive laser apparatus in the world. This endeavor tries to create nuclear weapons by using lasers that trigger nuclear fusion processes. This gadget aids in the development of both nuclear weapons and carbon-free electricity. Number 2. Large Hadron Collider. CERN, the European Organization for Nuclear Research, is in charge of the Large Hadron Collider, a particle accelerator capable of pushing protons and ions close to the speed of light in an attempt to discover the origin of mass, evidence for supersymmetry, and the source of antimatter, among other mysteries. The apparatus is notable for the 2012 discovery of the Higgs boson, a subatomic particle that imparts mass to every object in the universe. A machine capable of these feats would cost about $4.75 billion. Number 1. International Space Station. The International Space Station is the biggest structure ever constructed in space by humanity. The cooperation between 16 nations enables a variety of long-term scientific endeavors, such as investigating the effects of microgravity on the human body and how humanity will ever explore other solar systems. As of August 2019, 218 spacewalks have been conducted from the orbiting space station, which circles the Earth 16 times daily. This endeavor costs around $150 billion, an expense NASA has since attempted to offset through visits for $35,000 a night. Like and share the video and tell us your favorite science experiment from above list. Thanks for watching.